Okay, so we're gonna try to make mojitos, but like with very alternate ingredients because I'm missing a lot of them. So I have this highball glass with some ice in it. I'm gonna use Bacardi. You're supposed to have lime wedges, but you know, lime juice works too. Lemon juice, a lime bubbly is gonna be like our base, some sugar. And instead of mint leaves, I have peppermint extract, so that could either be like super good or taste like crap. So we'll see. Let's see how this works out for us. I'll put you guys over here. So we're going to first add the 2 teaspoons. So we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar to the bottom of our glass. Oops. I like to spill everything. That's just who I am. And then we're going to add a little bit, and I mean like a little bit, like this stuff is super strong. So like a dash of mint. But now I'm not sure, like, okay, we'll do 2 little drops. We can always add more, you cannot take away. So then lime, I'm gonna use, like, I love lime, so probably like 4 squirts of lime. I'm really just making this up, so feel free to not follow my directions. And then it's called muddling, which you would do with the leaves to crush them, but we're gonna call it stirring. It smells good. It really smells minty, so maybe not use that much mint. I'm gonna use this cowboy boot shot glass, and this is 1.5 ounces, and that's what it calls for. So, you know, we're just gonna fill her up. And I honestly will say that's the first time I think I've ever measured alcohol when putting it in a glass. So that does not look like a lot. If I were to pour it, I probably would have poured it to like here. So maybe I should be measuring. And then a little bit of lemon, and then we're gonna add the bubbly. I wish I had some like mint leaves to garnish it with. That would be super cute. And we're gonna stir it. I have no idea how this is gonna taste. Cheers, this is a little scary. Kind of tastes like Sprite. And I'm gonna be honest again, I literally have no idea what a mojito tastes like. So it could taste exactly like mojito. It's not bad, it's very good. It's kind of refreshing. I think it's not sweet enough. I think that's the problem. But it's actually pretty dang good. And I think I'm gonna drink the rest of it because it actually tastes decent, which is very surprising. That was a lot more fun than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so tonight we're gonna make dessert. I'm making Paleo cookie dough bars. And first, in the bottom layer, you have to have almond flour, coconut oil, vanilla, and coconut flour, and then mix it all together. I'll leave a link for the recipe down below. So I'm just gonna mix this together and add my first layer. I forgot to mention that you also have to fold in about 1/4 cup, or however much you want, of chocolate chips. And so I'm just gonna mix this and then put it into the pan. Okay, so I have it all pushed down. So this is the first layer. I almost feel like you could double the recipe if you wanted a thicker layer, because this is the smallest pan I have and it's very, very thin, this layer, so you can tell. So I would almost double the recipe. Okay, so we have 1/2 cup of chocolate chips and about 1/4 cup of almond butter. And now we're gonna microwave it and like stir it to get it all melted so we can pour it on top. Okay, there you have it. And then you just stick it in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, here's what we got going on tonight. This is some sausage, honey garlic, that I'm browning up. I'm gonna add in these mushrooms and zucchini. And then we're gonna add some tomato sauce and some pasta. And then I'm gonna get out a few spices and we're gonna whip it all together. It's super easy and pretty cheap and very healthy. There you have it, so yummy. So I put in chili powder, garlic salt, garlic, pepper, and that's like my favorite blend to use. And then I'm just gonna serve it with some cheese. Derek likes a lot of cheese, I like a little bit, so I don't put it right in. I just like leave it on the table. And we are good to go.